Okay, what happened to you? Are you broken? Let's find out. There you go. You know what? Ooh, this connector doesn't have a long cable. And undo this. There's one more here. Ooh, little tiny guy. I hate this small connector. They're a pain in the butt to remove. Okay, so if I do this, oh, come on, man, why? So I'm gonna go ahead and undo this so I have more slack. There you go. Now we can came off by accident. Shoot. Hopefully I didn't break it. Okay. This thing is pretty heavy. Alright, are you okay, buddy? I think so. He's fine. Okay, what is happening here? Oh, it just fell off. Yep.
Do you spawn that stinger around?
Okay.
Is that a yes, or do you want me to go find someone else?
Yes.
Yep.
Yes, find someone else. Thank you. Alright, so okay, so I just pressed it in. My advisor just asked me if I want to work on the Stinger warranty one. I don't mind, but I need to make some hours right now. Right? I've been dealing with warranty. This one is warranty as well. Now it's all seated. And let's see if this is broken or what. Okay. So, not a broken one. Yeah. Yep. I don't see any broken piece, but how the heck that happened? Is it gonna happen again? No, it's pretty solid. It is pretty solid. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put it all back together. There we go. That guy. this one, and hopefully I didn't break you, bud. Hopefully I didn't break you. It's all good. There we go. Okay. Then plug this in. Oops. There you go. There you go. It's pretty heavy for a door panel because of this and all kind of stuff. All good? Yeah. And then I need the key back. Thank you, bud. Okay, it's working. This one is not broken. Yeah, putting a lot of pressure here now. It's not going anywhere. Okay. There's a lot of garbage here. I'm not gonna put the garbage back, but toys are in there. Okay, it works. Then I'm gonna go ahead and try this. Oops. There we go. Try this first. Okay, cool. Awesome.